Learn English. Enjoy English. With our videos, ForB English.
Hello everyone and welcome back to ForB's English Lesson video. My name is Richard and today we're going to take a look at two expressions. Do you know the difference? I know her, I know of her. Can you catch the difference? Alright, I know her means I've met her personally. I know of her means I've never met her, but I've heard of her. Alright, let's take a look at this example sentence. I know of her, but I don't know her. Alright, this sentence means I've heard of her, but I've never met her. Alright, so now you know the difference between I know her, I know of her. So you can use these expressions when you've met someone and you've only heard of someone. Alright, my name is Richard. Remember to click like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.